Hi friends. I'm currently sitting in our halfway converted school bus, which we just moved into. But there's a lot of missed YouTube videos that I haven't been able to upload yet, and we somehow had to get to this point to make it livable. So, until I do an actual full preview on YouTube of our bus, enjoy this next video about how we installed our vent fan and our AC for the bus, which I'm currently sitting in while it's hot outside, and it is glorious. Enjoy. The vent fan that we went with a Maxxair vent fan. Cut in action. Almost got taken out by this. Now we are on to the framing portion of the holes that have been cut. So the two holes that were cut for the vent fan and the AC, Ron is just working on framing those out with wood to, what do you call it? Not restructure.
Support. To
support, since we had to cut out a little bit of section of our supporting metal. So now he's putting wood around it to re-support the holes that we had to cut. Ron is tarring the spot where he's going to put our vent fan to make sure that it's got a tight seal around. So you can see this beautiful box here is what he just built to re-support the vent fan.
Alright, so now that we got the vent fan in.
Yeah. Ta-da!
So that is not where we're planning on putting the batteries.
Yeah, batteries are just here temporarily. Eventually, we think the batteries are gonna go under our couch here. Just, oh puppy, just to try to balance out the weight a little bit, because we do have a lot of our heavy things on the left side. So we think we're gonna end up putting the batteries under the couch. Oh, all right. So right now,
so because the batteries are there, and they're mainly, they're up there, so the dog and stuff doesn't step on the live batteries and everything.
Yeah.
But I am going to hook up this vent fan, because there's a little setting on the vent. It says hold to set to 78. That means whenever it gets above 78, the vent fan's going to turn on and start circulating air, pushing air out. Because it's California and we're not here the majority of the day, it gets really hot in this bus, especially with no insulation on it yet. And we just want to keep those batteries as cool as possible in the meantime.
Faux pas for the day. Daily mistakes. So we ordered our beautiful rooftop AC unit. What is this? This is a Dometic Evolution unit. Apparently we weren't paying enough attention when we ordered it, because we're in the bus trying to install it today, and it didn't come with the indoor cover. Is that right?
Yeah, which is how you hook up the power and basically be the thermostat and the ductwork.
Yeah. So we have the unit, we can put it on the roof, but we have no way to actually hook it up to power. So we have to order that from Amazon because it didn't come all in the little package, which kind of ain't great at Amazon, but also our fault that we didn't read it.
100% our fault we didn't read it.
Not 100, 95. 95. Things should come all together. Like when you sell something, it should come with everything you need, right?
In an ideal world, sure.
In an ideal world, but you know, we don't live in an ideal world. Way to go, Ron.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Now you can look.
What?
Go underneath and see if I poke a hole. Right.
So I was walking under doing cleanup crew, and I felt something fell on my back, and apparently it was tar. Bought my t-shirt, we're getting another one. See installed in the roof. Well, bam! She sticks up quite higher than we thought she would. Sunset bus work on the roof again. But we have an AC on our roof and a vent fan up front also.